So what you doing, Malvin?
So we're basically making a liquid sensor which will be used for 3D printing processes, and will basically be sensing the depth of the resin. So I'm currently in the process of constructing the mechanism that is going to be doing the depth sensing. So this is now the housing that we're working on. We're now just finishing off the 3D printing of the housing
And where's the resin for this?
Yeah, the resin that we have samples, but this is really high grade resin for much more sophisticated systems, which are not your basic 3D printer like the one you have at home. These are bigger, much more complicated systems.
Okay, so what you doing there?
So right now I am actually going to finish the outer housing, and as you can see, I'm going to then just make sure that it looks yeah. So now we are just finalizing the housing and making it smooth such that the resin will not stick.
Okay. And so this is a Fusion 360, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
we work mainly on Fusion 360. That's when we make our designs for all our prototypes. That's where we do trials and printings, and then when everything is finished, we can put it together and send it out there. You can also have a look at some of the prototypes.
Yeah.
This is also for depth sensing. You have an ultrasonic sensor, and you have water that we are using, and then this pump is responsible for pumping in and out. So the ultrasonic sensor senses the depth, and then currently it's still in the prototype phase. But as you can see, it's already
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. And this one, the small one here.
yeah, the small one also is a depth sensor, but this one, the way it works is if we have submerged inside the resin, you're going to see what's happening to the light emitting diode.
I guess it needs some time, I guess, to...
Yeah, well, this one still needs time, but it works.
Uh-huh, uh-huh.
But yeah, so thank you for